This water is coming from Boki local government.
From where?
Boki
Boki.
local government.
Okay.
The water passed through the forest.
Okay.
You can see that big tree over there.
Okay.
That's where the water reached there. Here itself, it goes 7 places.
Okay.
And the 7 places now is the 7 fall that falls down here. There are 7 in numbers. This one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That big one makes 7.
Okay, the falling now.
Yes,
is 7.
7.
Wow.
7.
Wow.
And also, if you go down there, we will have a tunnel where our forefathers during Nigeria Biafra War, that's where they run and hide under there. And that place is 5 rooms.
5 rooms?
Yeah.
Wow, under the tunnel.
Yeah.
So guys will be going to the tunnel. Hope you are excited.
And also, that place has 2 roads.
Okay.
That you can pass there, go to farm.
Wow.
When you are planting cocoyam, yam, that you also eat there. And you also pass there also, both at the bank of the river between Nigeria and Cameroon.
Wow.
That's where our first father passed there, go to their business there in Cameroon there. They go in Douala, Yaoundé, Ebolowa, Mariwan, Konsamba. When they were M9 here, they now call them Awename, Bane, and Remane. That means that my people come back home, the war is now over. Wow. Even myself, at the age of 14 years, my father also took me under and I saw everything there. It's a very nice place for you to hide up yourself. And we also have Twins Rock.
Twins Rock?
Yeah, Twins Rock down there. Yeah.
Are you excited to see all these things?
We call it Itai Afat.
Itai Afat?
Itai Afat.
Okay.
Itai Afat.
Itai Afat.
Yes.
Alright.
That's where a woman came down there. She gave birth to twins, male and female, called Ambana Manyo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, so that is where the name Amba and Manyo
originated from. Yeah. And we also have Ferry's home, where a woman of maybe 40 years above, maybe no pregnancy, no baby, but when she come down here, about she has that faith in her, she must get pregnant. Yes.
Guys, are you listening? That is even when you have reached the circle at which you cannot no longer give birth. You come here and you have faith and give birth.
Yeah. And also, a woman came from Port Harcourt, River State. Somebody sent her there that meet Mr. Etung. That woman came here. I saw that woman in her car. She came down. I said, what is the problem? She said, somebody sent her relate to me. That there's a place that she want to do some prayer. That God will surely answer her prayer. I said, what's the problem? She has married for over 13 to 14 years. No pregnancy, no baby. It's okay. Not me. Yeah. It's God first. She went down there and prayed for over 20 minutes. She went back home. With about 2 months and 3 weeks and some days, she called me on her phone that Mr. Prince, I've never seen my flower.
Wow.
I cut up the call.
Wow.
Number 11 months and some weeks, she called me again that she gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Wow.
And now the husband now is very, very happy with his sick home now. Yeah. Also societies. I also have a cave down there.
Yeah.
That's where the prince and the princess, they live there. But they are all spirits. So you cannot see them. Yeah. And also people also go down there. Yeah. Eat, drink, dance, do picnic, acting, music and other things. You can also bathe the water. You can also go under the waterfall and shower yourself down there. Yeah. And also as I'm walking here, I'm not walking here alone. People are here. And I walk with them. Even as we are here, people are here seeing us, hearing us. We don't see them because they are all spirits. Yeah. Even now as we are here, please come here with your open new mind. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much for enlightening us about the waterfall, giving us the history of the waterfall. So you will take us so that we'll go in. So guys, hope you are excited because we are going in there to have fun. Let's go there. So guys, we are now heading down to the tunnel. So come with us. Agbokim
Yes.
waterfall.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, Senator Jonah Waneno.
Yes.
You know him now.
Yeah.
This is his community.
Community.
Yes.
Okay. That's great.
You see there now. Abu.
Agbokim.
Abu. Yeah. You can see it there.
Welcome to Agbokim Waterfalls.
Yeah.
Entrance. This is the entrance. You are going down to the tunnel. You can hear the sound of the water. You can see where we just stepped in. Okay, so sir, these are rocks.
Like I see, these are rocks.
Okay.
Yeah, these are rocks. I born and
Okay.
make these rocks like this.
Okay.
Yeah, like you can see, I'm no more a boy. I'm a man. I'm roughly 49 years old
Wow.
today. Yeah, you see.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's the work of God. It depends on how you keep your life.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you eat? What do you eat in this place?
Yeah.
Or what is the secret to this your young
The
look?
secret is, this place is just like maybe I do
Exercise. Okay.
Yeah.
So sir, this beautiful place now.
Yeah, like you can see,
Yeah.
this color of this paint is a design.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you see how water comes out of the rock.
Rocks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you see. If you go to the downside, you see how water is dropping up the rock. Tap.
Wow.
You see that there is spirit here, also there is power here.
Power.
If you have faith in you, as you are here, touch the water, as you are going back,
Your problem is over.
things will change.
Wow. See beautiful tree. Oh, this looks so beautiful.
Now,
Okay. Oh, our face tunnel.
like the way I told you people up there that we have tunnel here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the tunnel.
Okay.
If you look down there, you see some plates, pockets, and other things under there. Yeah. This is where our forefathers during Nigeria Biafra War. This is where they run and hide under here.
Wow.
This very place is 5 rooms.
5 rooms.
Yes.
Wow.
And it has two roads here that you can pass it like this. Bus at the smaller waterfall down there. It has a passage where you now bus there, go to farm. Then you have plantain, cassava, cocoyam that you also eat here. And you also pass it like this, under here like this. Bus at the bank of the river between Nigeria and Cameroon. This is where they pass, they go to their business. In Douala, Yaoundé, Eborowa, Marewa, Samba. When they were enter here, they now call them Awarame, Baome, and Mane. That means that my people come back home. The war is now over. Even myself, at the age of 14 years, my father also took me under here. It's a very nice place for you to hide up yourself. Even though your enemy is coming now up there, you can hide here now. Yeah, so that's how it is.
Wow.
Any question?
So how many persons are expected to be in this place at the time?
Good. These 5 rooms, sometimes you may pass that 5 rooms, but it's a big parlor. It's a big parlor. Yeah, down there. It's a parlor, big parlor that contains up to 5,000 and up to 5,000 and
Wow.
under
In
here.
this place,
Yes.
5,000
Yes.
persons.
Yes. Persons under here. And they also come out here, face the waterfall to wash, drink, and other things down here.
And you need to pray.
Yes. If you have that faith in you, as you are here, you touch the water.
So that is even if you are in the menopausal stage as a woman and you can no longer give birth and you come to this place, you pray and you anything you so want and you come here, you pray
And then,
so it is not only about entertainment or the rainbow,
Yes.
but it's also life.
yeah.
So it's a nice one.
And also, even though sometimes we may come with the people like this, we meet some red ties, like the cobra, the python on the way. That what means song. Sometimes we say, oh God, this snake. I say, where am I go share, I go laugh. Those snakes, they are all spirits. Sometimes we may see that lying down there. I'll not use my dialect to talk to him. That means that we're done there. This is my people. They came for sightseeing with their clean hearts. The next second, I think just give us away. Wow. That's about it. And they're not also harmful. Wow. Yes.
So as we are going, if we see snake, we should not shout. Yes. We'll just greet them.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. You say Nkuwo.
Nkuwo.
Okay. You are there. Nkuwo. We are not coming to fight you. Wow, this is beautiful.
Take care. You see, one day before here has carried away into Kala finish, but still, she knows very so. I think give her a shirt, we go down. Yeah, we are going down now. We are going down. We are going where the Twins Rock is. The Twins Rock here.
Okay, we are going to where there is Twins Rock
is right now. Yeah. Like you can see, here is Twins Rock called Ambana Manyo. A woman came down here under pregnancy, but on her way reaching down here, she gave birth to twins, male and female, called Ambana Manyo. Like you can see, this is Amba, the first one that comes out. Here is Manyo, the second one that comes out. Even the grandchildren of Ambana Manyo, some of them are still alive, some are dead, and some are still here in the very community, but some are still outside there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this rocks now is named under somebody?
Under our first father.
First father,
yeah.
Wow.
Twins Rock, Itai Afat, Amba na Manyo.
Wow.
Nekanyo, Akupa, Ajabana Afara Mabai, Amba na Manyo, Kamba.
So what is the meaning of that one?
Amba, male, Manyo, female. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's how it is.
Okay, so guys, you have seen rock. This is the male and this is the female rock. It is
Manyo.
Amba and Manyo. So it is. This is Twins Rock.
Yeah.
Whenever you come across the name Amba or Manyo, you know that it's a twin name. It's just like Peter and Paul. Taye and Dan. This is a similar thing.
So, Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Like you can see how the water is dropping off.
Wow.
See it now.
See water.
Okay.
Wow.
Come on.
What did it mean?
I said they come.
As they come. So you can see water is dripping here.
Yes.
This is unbelievable.
Yes.
It's as if it's raining, but it's not rain. It's waterfall. Unbelievable. Guys, you can feel it. see water dropping as if it is raining. Unbelievable. It's a very lovely sight. Wow! I am UPT, bringing the world closer to you. This is Agbokim Waterfall. You can see the man is doing some talking to the water, and I don't know, talking to the water. So you just telling them that we are coming in. So we are going in. They just say this is the tunnel.
No, you can see.
Yes, sir.
This is a cave.
Okay.
Yeah. This is where the prince and the princess they live here with their children here.
Wow.
You can see this place is 4 rooms. 4 rooms here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
And here is a parlor.
A parlor.
Yeah, that they sit down here
Wow.
and enjoy themselves here. Yeah.
Wow.
If you like, you can go under there and lie down there. No problem. Yeah, it's a very nice place.
Beautiful tunnel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Even myself, at the age of 19 to 20 years, this is where I normally bring my girlfriend down here. Yeah, I'll put my money, buy my bottle of Chelsea hot of that early 90s. Buy my rice, oil, maggi, pepper, other things, and my book also.
This is a big tunnel.
I'll now come here, take my fire down there, take my hook, go down there, kill my fish, use it now, and cook my jollof rice. And we also, yeah. After all, we went down there, and shower ourselves down there.
This thing cannot collapse. Wow.
This is God's grace.
Unbelievable. Apart say you dey here, I no fear. Wow. Unbelievable.
It's a very nice place.
So guys, you can see it's very deep inside, even under it's deep inside. I say these are the rooms, bedroom, parlor, and kitchen, and this is the parlor that we are now. You can see here, and that is the water there. Wow. And see fine rocks, beautiful rocks. Here are my geologists. Please come and tell me the color of this rock. What is the name of this rock? Oh boy. Hey, I can't wait to get to the water. Wow. I am UPT. Click on the subscribe button if you have not, so that you will not be missing out. We have a lot in store for you. What a beautiful sight. I so enjoy myself here. This is Agbokim Waterfall. It's a lovely sight. You know, this channel is rich because we are bringing the world closer to you. The sole aim is to bring the world closer to you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe and the notification button below so that you don't miss out, because we have a lot in stock for you. Everywhere we are in Agbokim Waterfall, and if you have not been here, you are not really missing so much, because we will show you everything that is happening here, bringing the world closer to you. This is UPT. I am UPT. Yeah, Agbokim Waterfall, and you can see you have to go deep down in there before you can get to the waterfall. So we still have a long way to go. I hope you will still go with me and enjoy. So follow us, because we are still going deep inside. Oh God. Hey. Yeah.
No make guy, you go first go down.
No, I don't make guy. Guys, this is dangerous. Could this be the most dangerous trip I've made before? No, I doubt. This is not. I have other deadly and dangerous trip that I've made. Come, you guys are here to see. It's as if rain is falling. You can see water coming out from the rock as if it is raining, but actually it is not raining. It's a waterfall. Yeah, guys. Yay!
Hey. I forgot
Guys,
what that
we are
match
still
is. River United. With a young
Yeah.
boys of yeah, that's waterfall, yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
we are almost there. Yeah, we are getting closer, closer. We are almost there. Yeah.
I'm ready! Yes! 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 Nah, this is marvelous.
So guys, we are almost there. Oh, we are getting closer. Oh boy, look at that up. Unbelievable. And this is also tunnel.
Support them there, yeah, put your hand again. Put your hand again. Yeah.
Yay!
You know.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Ah. Yay! Oh. Hey. I am UBT bringing the world closer to you. Wow, don't touch that down. Just we have amazing sight for you. So guys, I'm gonna enter the water. I know you would love to see me inside the water. Oh. Wow. Gonna be a lovely sight. I can't wait. Oh, hey. I don't understand that, but I think that is the prayer.
And you can say, Ekuri Assam, Grandi Morning and Party in the fan now. Can I give my thing?
Yes.
And if you want to reach me, you can call Peugeot.